Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1129 refers to a malfunction in the driver's door lock knob switch input circuit. This error means that there is a simultaneous input of lock and unlock signals, which can create confusion in the door locking mechanism. The driver's door lock knob switch is vital for controlling the locking and unlocking of the vehicle's doors. It's located on the driver's door panel, easily accessible to the driver for operation. This issue may prevent the door locking system from functioning properly, leading to security concerns and potential inconvenience for the driver. Diagnosing this can help ensure safety features are operating as intended and maintain the integrity of the vehicle's locking system. The driver's door lock knob switch is a critical component in the Honda Civics secure locking system. Located on the driver's door panel, it allows the driver to lock and unlock the vehicle doors quickly. It functions by sending electrical signals to the Multiplex Integrated Control Unit, MICU, when engaged. The MICU interprets these signals to control the locking mechanisms throughout the vehicle. A malfunction in this switch can lead to the simultaneous input of lock and unlock signals, causing confusion and erratic behavior in the locking system. Understanding its location and function is essential for efficient troubleshooting and repair. Several potential causes may trigger DTC B1129. First, a faulty driver's door lock knob switch could be causing inconsistent signals, leading to simultaneous lock and unlock requests. Wiring issues can also contribute, particularly if there's damage or disconnection between the switch and the Multiplex Integrated Control Unit, MICU. Another possibility is a faulty MICU, which processes the signals from the switch. Each of these factors can impact the functionality of the door locking system and must be thoroughly inspected. Identifying the root cause is critical for effective resolution of the DTC. When DTC B1129 is present, several symptoms are likely to manifest. The most common issue faced by drivers is erratic behavior in the door locking mechanism. This means that when the driver attempts to lock or unlock the doors, the system may fail to respond appropriately. Additionally, there may be inconsistent feedback from the driver's door lock knob switch, leading to confusion when trying to secure the vehicle. Drivers may also notice that the indicator lights that signal lock or unlock may not function as intended. Recognizing these symptoms provides a critical starting point for diagnosing the underlying problem and implementing solution strategies. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1129 involves using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to clear the diagnostic trouble codes. After clearing, ensure that the ignition switch is turned to lock 0 and then back to on 2. This cycle is essential to reset the vehicle's electronic systems. Following this, you should operate the driver's door lock knob switch several times to simulate normal operation. These initial steps help to establish if the issue persists or if it was a temporary glitch in the system. It is crucial to follow up by checking for any new DTCs with the HDS after performing these actions. After performing the initial series of checks, the next step is to check for DTCs with the HDS once again. This step is vital to see if DTC B1129 will reappear, which indicates an ongoing issue. If the DTC does return, this reflects a persistent problem, likely related to the door lock knob switch or the interconnected wiring. Conversely, if the DTC does not return, it may suggest an intermittent failure where the system is currently functioning correctly. Identifying the nature of the failure allows for targeted troubleshooting and repair steps to ensure the door locking system remains reliable. In this step, access the body electrical system on the HDS and select the keyless transmitter option. Move to the data list where you can check the on-off information for the driver's door lock knob switch. It is essential to verify that when the switch is in the lock position, the indicator for the lock is on, while the unlock indicator is off. Conversely, when the switch is in the unlock position, the lock indicator should be off and the unlock indicator on. This data check helps confirm the functionality of the driver's door lock knob switch and its communication with the MICU. The next troubleshooting step requires you to disconnect the 10P connector from the driver's door lock actuator. This disconnection will help isolate the door lock system, allowing for a more straightforward assessment of the driver's door lock knob switch functionality. After disconnecting the actuator, revisit the data list in HDS to check the on-off information for both the lock and unlock indicators again. If both indicators are off, this signals a potential open circuit in the lock knob switch wiring that must be inspected. If either indicator is still on, troubleshooting must continue to ensure all components are functioning correctly and that there are no shorts in the wiring. Now turn the ignition switch to lock 0 again as part of this detailed troubleshooting protocol. The next step is to disconnect the connector T34P from the under-dash fuse relay box. This component is critical in controlling various electrical functions, including locking mechanisms. With the connector disconnected, check for continuity between body ground and the under-dash fuse relay box connector T terminals, number 23 for unlock and number 24 for lock separately. Finding continuity will indicate a proper connection. However, if there is continuity indicating a short, it needs to be repaired, as shorts can lead to erroneous signals and malfunctioning systems. In the final troubleshooting step, the objective is to check the continuity between the under-dash fuse/relay box connector T34P terminals number 23 unlock and number 24 lock. This test will help determine if there's a direct connection issue between these two circuits. A lack of continuity suggests there might be a broken wire or an internal fault within the fuse/relay box. If continuity is found, further diagnosis is needed to check the associated components and connections to ensure comprehensive functionality. Ensuring proper connections not only resolves the current DTC, but also prevents future locking system malfunctions. After completing all necessary repairs as per the outlined troubleshooting steps, it is vital to conduct a final verification of the repairs. Start by ensuring that DTC B1129 is cleared from the system using the HDS. Next, confirm the door lock functionality using the driver's door lock knob switch several times to ensure locking and unlocking occurs without issue. Observe the behavior of the vehicle's locks, ensuring they operate smoothly and consistently. If all functions are stable, the issue is likely resolved, signifying the electrical circuits and components involved are back to normal operational standards. Never overlook this step. Proper verification ensures both the consumer's safety and the vehicle's longevity. To maintain the longevity of the door lock mechanisms and prevent issues like DTC B1129 in the future, regular preventive maintenance is essential. This includes routinely inspecting the door locking system and checking for any visible wiring damage that may occur over time. Additionally, ensuring that the door lock knob switch is clean and free of moisture or debris is crucial for optimal operation. Environmental factors can lead to corrosion or malfunctions, so regular checks during vehicle servicing are recommended. Preventive maintenance not only enhances component longevity, but also ensures the locking system's functionality remains dependable. DTC B1129 highlights a critical malfunction in the driver's door locking system that affects vehicle security. Identifying and diagnosing the underlying issues involves systematic troubleshooting steps to pinpoint the root cause. Understanding the role of components like the driver's door lock knob switch and the MICU is vital in addressing this error. Achieving successful repairs ensures the door locking system functions correctly and remains reliable. Lastly, emphasizing preventive maintenance can save time and costs in the long run, keeping the vehicle secure and operational. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.